Yeah, so we're trying to look at the quiz. So the following except one are objective of the new Pension Reform Act 2014. A, to establish a uniform set of rules, regulations, standards for the administration of pension-related matters in Nigeria, to assist improvident individuals by ensuring that they serve towards their inactive years after active service, to make provision for the smooth operation of the contribution pension fund. D, to give a bulk amount to employees at retirement without resource to contribution from salary. E, to ensure that every public service employee and private sector employee receive his retirement benefit. So the answer is D. So for question 2, you can read your question 2. And provide your answer. So we are still on our quizzes. Contribution for any employee to which the Pension Reform Act 2014 applies shall be made in the following way. A minimum of 10% by the employer and a minimum of 5% by employee, a minimum of 7.5% by the employer and a minimum of 7.5% by the employee, a minimum of 12.5% by the employer and a minimum of 7.5% by the employee, a minimum of 10% by employer and a minimum of 8% by employee. a minimum of 10% by employer and a minimum of 10% by employer. So D is the answer for that. So the gross salary, that is basic and allowance attached to a retiring officer substantive rank, is known as the gross salary, basic and allowance attached to a retiring officer substantive rank is known as pension fund emoluments. Pension fund emoluments is the answer. Then this one will also be a takeaway question for you. A takeaway question for you, quiz 4. Quiz 4, a takeaway, section 42 and 44 of Pension Reform Act 2014 establish pension transitional arrangement. We did not cover this. That's why I bring out this question. Pension Transitional Arrangement Directorate, PTAD, for Public Service of the Federation, and Pension Transitional Arrangement Directorate for the Federal Capital Territory, respectively. You are required to state 8 functions of the PTAD and 3 powers of the Commission over Pension Transitional Arrangement. So, Directorate for Public Service of the Federation and Federal Capital Territory. So this is a takeaway for you. So we would like to end our class here, and wish you a good class tomorrow when the lead lecturer will take you on in another topic. But for now, it's bye from me.